Before iGarden Swim Jet P Series reaches your pool, it begins with engineering. Behind every powerful flow is a manufacturing process built on precision, discipline, and uncompromising standards. Reliability is proven through rigorous endurance. 50 degrees C aging, 3,000 idling cycles,
48-hour running test.
Inside our laboratory, we push even further.
Constant temperature test.
Rain simulation tests,
Salt spray test. Vibration test.
drop tests. Only the best earn their place in your pool, secured and ready for global delivery.